Today, we're making enchiladas suizas. Creamy salsa verde, tender chicken, golden, bubbling cheese. And for this dish, we're going straight to the source in Mexico City. Enchiladas Suizas are widely believed to have originated at Sanborns de los Azulejos, inside Mexico City's famous Casa de los Azulejos, the House of Tiles. And yes, the building is way fancier than the dish sounds. But that's part of the story. Simple chicken enchiladas, creamy green sauce, melted cheese, one very dramatic backdrop. Now, let's get cooking. First, we're getting the chicken started. Into a pot of water, add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 medium white onion sliced in half. Then add about 2.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like thighs here because they stay tender and juicy, which is exactly what we want inside these enchiladas. But boneless, skinless chicken breast will work too. Just pull it once it's cooked through and tender because breast meat goes from perfect to stringy real quick. And we are making enchiladas, not chicken shoelaces. Bring that to a boil and let it cook until the chicken is fully cooked through and tender. While that's happening, we're moving on to the salsa verde, because that creamy green sauce is where the magic starts. We'll need 1.5 pounds of tomatillos, about 10 to 12 depending on their size, 1 medium white onion, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 serrano or jalapeno pepper. Use a second pepper if you want a little more heat. Now give the tomatillos, onion, garlic, and pepper a light rub with avocado oil. Then send them into a 425-degree oven. You want everything soft, blistered, and lightly browned. Now that the tomatillos, onion, garlic, and pepper are roasted, it's time to turn all that into our salsa verde. Add the roasted vegetables straight into the blender. Make sure you get those roasted juices from the pan, too. That's flavor, and we are not leaving flavor behind like some kind of amateur. Then pour in 1 cup of chicken stock. If you saved some of the liquid from cooking the chicken, you can use that here too. Just strain it first and make sure it's not too salty. Now that the roasted vegetables and chicken stock are in the blender, add the cilantro. Then hit it with a generous pinch of salt. Tomatillos bring a bright, tangy bite, and the salt helps balance everything out. Now blend it until the sauce is nice and smooth. At this point, we've got roasted salsa verde, fresh, tangy, a little smoky, and already acting like it belongs on enchiladas. Pour the salsa verde into a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for a few minutes so the flavors come together. Then lower the heat and stir in the crema. This is where regular salsa verde turns into that creamy Suizas sauce. Keep the heat gentle from here. Smooth and creamy is the goal, not broken and angry. Before we start rolling, add a couple ladles of that Suizas sauce to the shredded chicken. Give it a good mix so the filling gets lightly coated. We're not making soup here, just giving the chicken enough sauce to stay juicy and bring that creamy salsa verde flavor into every bite. Make sure to warm the tortillas so they're flexible and ready to roll. Add the chicken filling, roll them up, and place them seam side down in the baking dish. Once they're all tucked in, spoon that creamy Suiza sauce right over the top. Now cover the top with plenty of Monterey Jack cheese. It melts beautifully, it gets nice and creamy, and it gives these enchiladas exactly the kind of cheesy situation they deserve. Bake at 375 until hot, bubbly, and the Monterey Jack is melted. For extra color, broil it 1 or 2 minutes, but watch it. Golden and bubbly good, charcoal casserole bad. Once they're hot, bubbly, and melted, let them rest for a few minutes. That gives the sauce and cheese a chance to settle down because nobody wants an enchilada landslide. Then serve them with a little extra Suiza sauce, a drizzle of crema, fresh cilantro, and a few thin slices of white onion. And there it is, keto-friendly enchiladas suizas, Sanborns style. Creamy salsa verde, tender chicken, melted Monterey Jack, and all the comfort we came here for. Keto made me do it.